Improve your driving safety and always have proof in case of an incident, a reliable dashcam is a must-have. Today, we're taking a look at the Penemay 4K front and 1080p rear dashcam, a powerful dual-camera system designed for full coverage on the road. This dashcam records ultra-clear footage, making it easier to capture important details like license plates and traffic situations. The 170-degree wide-angle lens helps reduce blind spots and ensures a wider field of view. One of the key highlights is its night vision with WDR technology, which allows the camera to deliver clear recordings even in low light or nighttime conditions. With built-in Wi-Fi and app control, you can easily connect your phone to view, download, and manage videos instantly. It also comes with a 64GB SD card, so you can start using it straight out of the box. The loop recording feature ensures continuous recording, while the G sensor automatically locks important footage during sudden movements or impacts. Additionally, the parking mode provides extra protection by monitoring your vehicle even when it's parked. Overall, this dash cam is a great combination of performance, convenience, and security for everyday drivers.